All right, prime time. Here is the video to randomize jersey numbers for tomorrow night's NFL jersey break. We will check the time here. It's January 22nd at 4:50 p.m. I'm going to go over to the break and type live. And we have January 22nd at 4:50 p.m. Here is our list of 10 entries. We're going to randomize these entries, and then whatever number pops up by your name at the end of the randomize will be the numbers or the number you have for the jersey break tomorrow night. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That'll work all 12 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There we go. So Brad has anything ending in 1, Jeff in 2, Thomas in 3, Jeff in 4, and on and on and on. So we'll get this posted, and we'll see you tomorrow night for the break.